Stay tuned.
When I was a little kid and the Cuban Missile Crisis happened, that was a real threat of a world war. Right. I haven't felt that since then until now. I mean, with all the stuff that's happened in this world, I never felt a nuclear war threat since the Cuban Missile Crisis until now.
Right.
And
well,
I feel it today.
At the middle of this whole conversation, people talking about this, is Colin Kaepernick because of his reaction to the drone strike that happened in Iraq. And he says that this is just another case of he calls it American terrorist attacks against black and brown people for the expansion of American imperialism. And he had another tweet where he really lit into the Trump administration. And of course, we know that Colin Kaepernick and Donald Trump have been sworn enemies for years now. But Colin Kaepernick made his point that the way he sees this, this was just American militarism being used to further American imperialism.
They did this at Pearl Harbor. They did it. All Japanese within 24 hours were rounded up, their houses taken, businesses taken, money taken, clothes taken, separated from their families, put in jail unless they fought for America. They let them out to fight and kill their own Japanese people. The rest of them stayed in these concentration camps until the war was over. And 40 years later, they haven't gotten their money back, property back, businesses back yet. So America has already done this to people who believed in America, but they were dark-skinned people. And you running around here thinking the white man doesn't have plans for you when you were waking up? Country. Don't you understand the mystery? Either put these so-called black people in concentration camps or suffer them doing riots and tearing us up across the country. See, they know they're getting ready to bring funny money in '85. That's when they plan. They may not do it, but that's their plan.
Oh, they waited so long.
They know they have pumped a whole lot of paper into the economy, and that inflation is going to go crazy after the election. That inflation has already started up. Food prices and everything's already starting to rise now. And they already know with the banking collapse that countries like Argentina, they told you on the news tonight that the game they ran on you is unraveling. That the dark countries said they're not going to pay these white banks any more money. Which means that the banks will collapse. And when the banks collapse, if you don't have a little piece of silver or gold, you won't be able to buy anything. And if you won't be able to buy anything, you won't be able to eat. And if black folk can't eat, they're going to tear the hell out the country. So they got concentration camps ready for you. You better come.